Youpin Worx-4V. This is a compact and lightweight 4-volt cordless electric screwdriver, weighing only 320 grams. The Youpin Worx-4V is a versatile tool suitable for various tasks, such as assembling furniture, repairing appliances, and handling minor home repairs. It's an excellent choice for users seeking a portable and affordable tool. The tool comes with a set of 30 bits, including flathead, Phillips, and Torx bits. Let's now explore some details and features of this incredible tool. Remember, if you're interested, the purchase link is provided in the video description. Just click to check it out. It features 7 speed settings. Designed with safety in mind. The Youpin Worx-4V is a great choice for users in need of a portable and affordable tool for household tasks. All details discussed in the video can be found in the description link. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.